Many people want to speak English fluently and confidently, but they feel shy, nervous, or afraid of making mistakes. Have you ever felt this way? Do you understand English but struggle to speak? Do you worry about your grammar or pronunciation? Do you feel nervous when speaking English in front of others? If you answered yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Millions of people face the same problem. The good news is that you can speak English with confidence. You just need the right mindset, practice, and techniques. Today we will share the best tips to help you become a confident English speaker. These tips are simple and easy to follow. If you practice them daily, you will see great improvement in your speaking skills. Let's get started. 1. Change your mindset. Stop being afraid. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to speak English confidently is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of not finding the right words. But here's the truth. Mistakes are a part of learning. No one speaks perfectly, not even native speakers. People will respect you for trying, not for being perfect. Think about how children learn to speak. Do they speak perfectly from the beginning? No. They make mistakes, but they keep speaking and learning. You must do the same. Forget about being perfect. Focus on communicating. Affirmation. Exercise. Every morning, say this to yourself. I am confident. I am improving every day. I can speak English fluently. This simple exercise will boost your confidence and remove fear. 2. Speak English every day, even if you are alone. The best way to gain confidence is to practice speaking daily. But what if you don't have anyone to talk to? Here are 5 simple ways to practice speaking alone. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Example. Now I am making tea. The water is boiling. I am adding sugar. Read aloud. Read books, articles, or scripts loudly to improve fluency. Record yourself. Listen to your voice and notice what needs improvement. Use a mirror. Speak in front of a mirror to practice facial expressions and confidence. Use speech-to-text apps. Speak to your phone and check if it understands you. Challenge. Every day, set a 5-minute timer and speak on any topic in English. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. 3. Think in English. Stop translating. Many learners translate from their native language before speaking English. This makes them slow and nervous. The solution? Start thinking in English. Here's how. Describe your surroundings in English. Example, the sky is blue. The trees are green. Plan your day in English. Example, today I will go to the market, then study for 2 hours. Ask yourself questions in English. Example, what should I eat for lunch? And answer in English. Change your phone's language to English. At first, it will be difficult, but with practice, your brain will get used to thinking in English. 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Many learners try to memorize individual words, but this is not enough. To speak confidently, you need to learn phrases and sentence structures. Instead of memorizing apologize, learn the phrase, I apologize for being late. Instead of improve, learn, I want to improve my English speaking skills. When you learn phrases, you don't have to think too much before speaking. Your brain will automatically recall them. Practice. Every day, learn 5 to 10 new phrases and use them in your speech. 5. Listen and imitate. Copy like a child. How do babies learn to speak? They listen and copy. You should do the same. Listen to native speakers and imitate them. Watch English movies, TV shows, and interviews. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. Repeat what native speakers say. One great exercise is shadowing. Shadowing technique. Play an audio or video in English. Try to repeat the sentences at the same time as the speaker. Copy their tone, pronunciation, and speed. This will improve your pronunciation and speaking confidence. 6. Use simple English. Don't try to be fancy. Many learners think they need big, complicated words to sound fluent, but this is not true. Simple English is the best English. Instead of saying, "I am utterly exhausted," say, "I am very tired." Instead of, "This is a magnificent idea," say, "This is a great idea." Speak clearly and naturally. Confidence comes from being comfortable, not from using difficult words. 7. Find a speaking partner. Speaking alone is great, but speaking with real people is even better. Find a friend or family member who speaks English. Join online English-speaking groups. Use language exchange apps to talk with native speakers. If you practice with others, you will feel more comfortable and improve quickly. 8. Slow down. Speak clearly. Many learners try to speak too fast because they think it sounds fluent, but this is a mistake. Speaking slowly and clearly is better than speaking fast with mistakes. Take your time. Focus on pronunciation. Pause when needed. Even native speakers pause and take time to find the right words, so don't rush. 9. Use body language and expressions. Confidence is not just about words. It's also about body language. Stand or sit up straight. Make eye contact while speaking. Use hand gestures to express yourself. Smile. A smile makes you look friendly and confident. Even if you feel nervous, using confident body language will make you look and feel more confident. 10. Keep practicing. Never give up. The most important tip is to keep going. Learning a language takes time. Some days you may feel frustrated, but remember, every small improvement is progress. Every mistake is a lesson. Confidence comes from daily practice. Nelson Mandela once said, "It always seems impossible until it's done. So, don't stop. Keep practicing, and soon you will speak English fluently and confidently." We hope these tips help you speak English with confidence. If you found this useful, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for listening. Keep learning and keep practicing.